How to enable or disable keyboards show predictions inline on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. After that, we go down, then tap on Keyboard, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Show Predictions Inline. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now, Show Predictions Inline is a feature on the iPhone 16 keyboard that displays word suggestions directly above the keyboard as you type. So turn it on, and then finally you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.